This vehicle worth at least 45 million naira in Nigeria, but with just 3.8 million naira, you can get a Lexus Gx470 convert to Lexus Gx460 2022 model. Here's me, Derick from Derick Motors. Here's our done and dusted Lexus Gx470. We upgraded to Lexus Gx460. Your location is not in barrier. Take a look at the vehicle from the back side. You can see the magic we did here. You can only get a job like this from Derick Motors. Look at the vehicle from the side. You can see how perfect it is. We make the vehicle to be more robust and big. Take a look at the vehicle from the front side. You can see how perfect it is. The face is fully fit. You can hit us up on all social media, Derick Motors. We are the most trusted and verified tested vehicle company in Nigeria that can do a job like this for you. Let's look at the vehicle and how it started. Thank you.
Hey guys, this is Quality reporting from Derick Motors in our office in Warri. Here we have our Lexus Gx470. We are upgrading to Lexus Gx460. You can see the fix. I'll use the word the first phase of installing or setting up the fix. You can see it. Very neat. But tomorrow we're going to perfect it. Tomorrow we'll move to the body part of it. My left hand, what you see there is Lexus GS, that Toyota in-laws 2007. We are upgrading to 2022. This was how it initially looked. That one is